Hey everyone, welcome back to the homestead. Just wanted to give you an update on the grapes and how they're doing. And you know what? I did something silly. I was so excited to eat them, I forgot to show you what they looked like on the vine still. We've got some left, but I was so excited and they were so good. I just started popping them in my mouth and started taking them into the wife. She loves them, and the girls, and forgot to bring the camera out. Hey, what are you gonna do? We're gonna show you what we've got left here and show you how they did this season. Okay, as you can see, we've got actually some extra growth here. I've already harvested this whole vine and we had some extra shoots come out here with some new fruit, which is unusual, and I believe it should probably ripen before the end of the season and before it gets too cold here, which it really never gets that cold here in East Texas, Zone 8B. Anyhow, you can see how they develop, which is really cool here. Hopefully we'll get these eaten and these will flower out in fruit for us. And they come in these very small clusters. This is how the Muscadine grapes grow. They're not in the massive clusters that you see regular table grapes growing as. And these are our Carlos variety, our favorite. And here's some more. And you can see this. This one is starting to go dormant and die back a little bit. I think it had a little bit of blight for the season, but it's still produced. And we've picked some off this. It's still produced this season fairly well, and these are perfect right now. Very sweet. This is the only one that was behind in its growth, and it did not produce this year. So hopefully next year that one will. And this one, this is another Carlos here. It had a lot of fruit on it. You can see where we've picked off all the fruit, and it is they were insanely sweet. We still have a couple left in the house, but not that many. So what we're going to do for the winter, and I'll do a pruning video on this, but we'll come in here and prune this fruiting wood back, and that will establish a cordon there for our fruiting next season, and we're going to prune it back to 2 to 3 buds from there. But like I said, I'll do another video on that. Excuse me, I've got one in my mouth right now. So anyway, hope you're enjoying this series. Muscadines have huge seeds. Huge seeds. There's another one. And they're usually 4 to 5 seeds per grape. Anyway, they're still fantastic. But we're going to continue this and show you how these grapes are growing. Hopefully show you how to do that pruning in the next, it's probably going to be a couple months before I prune these out. You want to do a winter pruning when everything starts to go dormant on them and you're losing your foliage. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this quick update on our grapes. That's really all we're doing today. Out here eating grapes, working in the garden, doing some repairs around the house. Anyway, have a great day, guys. Glad to have you here on the channel, and we hope you stick around. Check out our other videos. Check out our other videos in the series also to see how we train these using the modified Munson training system, which we find is really easy, and it produces some good quality fruit. Have a great day. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.